Good day, everybody. My name is Ms. Maboe. I welcome you to today's grade 10 business studies lessons, and we are focusing on the final exam preps for paper 1. Right, don't forget paper 1. All right, we will be doing our question 4, which is miscellaneous. Don't forget, paper 1, miscellaneous, it consists of the 2 topics, which is your business environment and the business operations. Do not forget those questions, or the topics rather, because question 2 is business environment, question 3 is business operations. So now in your section B, question 4, the first part of it is business environment, which is 20 marks, and then the last part is also 20 marks, business operations. Right, the question here says, which is 4.1, give the meaning of poverty. So it says give the meaning of poverty. So you just have to give, you don't have to elaborate. When a poor person is unable or has no money to satisfy his or her most basic human survival needs. So you've given the meaning of poverty. Remember, it's very important that you read the question and you look at the action verb. So in this instance, it's just to give. All right, question number 2, 4.2 rather. Read the scenario below and answer the questions that follow. Jimmy's CDs, which is JCD. Jimmy downloads copyrighted music and movies from the internet. He then sells these CDs at a discounted price in Queenstown. The CDs look legitimate, but are not. All right, let's read the question. The question reads as follows. Identify the socioeconomic issue referred to in the scenario above. So you need to identify the concept from where? From this scenario. After reading this, which socioeconomic issue do you think is being referred to from the scenario? All right, so what do you think is the answer? Right, here's my answer. The correct answer is piracy. So piracy is the correct answer for this question. Let's move on to 4.2.2. Discuss solutions to the socioeconomic issue identified in question 4.2.1. So your socioeconomic issue is here. What are the solutions for this? So here's the trick about this. If the socioeconomic issue identified in 4.2.1 is incorrect, definitely the solutions, there's a high possibility that they might also be incorrect. So for piracy, what are the solutions? What can you do? All right, let's write down the solutions. We've got copyright, which is the solution. However, the question did not say list or name. They said to you or outline, they said discuss. So you have to discuss the concept copyright. What is copyright? Copyright is the right given to the creator of an original work so that it cannot be copied without his or her permission. Right, the question said solutions. Right, what is another solution? Right, patent, exclusive right to use or sell the invention or a product made from an invented process for a limited period of time. Right, a discovery or scientific method, etc. Right, lastly, you've got trademark, which is also a solution. A unique mark that represents a business enterprise and which belongs to the business enterprise. It includes words or slogans or signs. Right, so those are the answers for our 4.2. And then we're moving on to 4.3. I hope you can see what's happening now. We're no longer doing business environments. So now we are doing what? The business operations, but we're still in question number 4. Remember, question number 4 is what? It's miscellaneous. I did say to you that you'd have questions on business environment and other questions on business operations. So it will be 20 marks for environments and 20 marks for operations. So this question says, list 2 remedies of the National Credit Act. The action verb is what? Is list. You're just listing here. All right, so you've got the Consumer Tribunal, you've got the National Consumer Commission, right? Those are the answers. Consumer Court, right? Another thing, they said 2, don't forget. You were given 2, so the first 2 will be marked. All right, Then we're moving on to question 4.4. It suggests quality indicators for the financial function. So suggest the quality indicators for the financial function. Let's see what you are writing there, or what are your answers, or what do you think is the correct answer? All right. Ensuring a healthy cash flow by ensuring payments are made on time. Secondly, financial records to be kept up to date. Accountability through tight financial processes. Negotiate better interest rates in order to keep financial costs down. What can you see here? It's the full sentences. We are not giving one word answers, but full sentences to ensure full marks. Draw up accurate financial statement timelessly or regularly. So we've come to an end of our question, or question 4, or section B. We're going to go on to a break, and then when we come back, we continue going to our essays. I'll see you just now.